Hey everyone, myself Umar Taskir and you are watching WsCubeTech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Facebook Ads Manager. I am going to discuss a very big problem that people used to see when they are actually into Facebook ads or when they actually run a Facebook ads campaign, right? So the problem comes in audience section. While creating a Facebook campaign, many people fail to create a great audience. This is the only reason that their campaign does not run properly or their budget optimization is not up to the mark. So the biggest problem in setting a good campaign on Facebook is that they are not able to, or people are not able to decide what kind of audience set, what kind of audience targeting they should go through. So I'll be giving you a case over here. So I'll be learning through this case that how can we actually implement different options which are available in audience detailed targeting. So let me explain you the case first. The case is, suppose I have a client who makes customized mobile covers for premium phones and he wants his ad should reach to the people. What his work is, what his job is. His job is he actually makes premium customized mobile covers, and those two for premium mobile phones only, right? So suppose if we believe that my client is making customized mobile cover for models like iPhone XR and iPhone XS, then how can he actually target that particular audience on Facebook? So let me tell you this practically. Right now I am on my laptop screen, and here you can see on this campaign section we have to select something. Right now I am selecting traffic so that we can move to this audience section over here. Now in audience section, what people used to do, and what kind of mistakes they actually make. So they stick themselves to age, gender only, and then location only, right? So if you are going to stick only to location, age and gender, this is basically a very broad targeting. It's not a narrow targeting, it's a quite broad targeting. So if you are selecting these kind of things, definitely your budget is going to exhaust, and that will not be in optimized format, right? So if you want your budget to be optimized, perfectly optimized, then one thing you have to keep in mind is you have to go through a very detailed targeting, and detailed targeting along with a very specific detailed targeting, right? So the case which I have explained you, let me tell you the detailed targeting option. How can this help us for that particular region? So let me click on this browse button. As soon as you will come on this detailed targeting, you will be having this browse button over here. You just go to behaviors, and there you are having different categories. So I am going to click on this mobile device user, which will give you two options over here: all mobile devices by brand and all mobile devices by operating system. So for us, our priority is all mobile devices by brand, because we are looking for some premium models from Apple, because we are designing the covers for only premium models, right? Because see, the customized covers, if we talk about the nature of customized covers, the customized covers generally cost somewhere around 1000 rupees or 800 rupees or 1200 rupees, right? So for a person who is having a moderate model or a medium range model, it is not feasible for him to buy that kind of a costly cover, right? So for business perspective, the custom covers can be designed for some premium models only, right? So what we have actually decided in this case is that we are going to create the covers for premium models of iPhone only, suppose as XR or XS. So we do have these options over here. Right now you can see iPhone XR is mentioned over here and iPhone XS is mentioned over here. So you can select these options, and now suppose I have selected iPhone X and iPhone XR, right? So now you can target this particular audience. So this particular audience is throughout India, and the age group of this audience is 18 to 65 and all genders, right? So you have these estimated daily results over here. So now this is a very perfect audience according to your requirement, according to your client's requirement. So these are the many different aspects that you should not ignore while you are doing the audience selection. One mistake that I have seen many people do is this thing: they actually do not dig into this detailed targeting option. You have to dig into this detailed targeting option so that you can reach your actual prospects. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood the importance of audience selection in Facebook ads, and how can this audience selection can actually optimize your budget also, as well as your campaign settings also, and your performance will definitely start growing. So that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, a very goodbye.